Hello, and welcome to Collision Repair Magazine's Industry Insider Podcast. Today, we sit down with the operations manager at Eagle Towing in Cambridge to see how to find success as a towing business. Jack Poladian talks about customer relations, how to expand in the towing industry, and even how to combat old stigmas towards towing professionals.
I read online that you guys started with just one tow truck and one gas station, and now you guys have a 15,000 square foot facility. How did your family manage to expand so dramatically and also stay open and stay as a very active business for so long?
At the end of the day, the pure dedication. It's honestly pure dedication. It's Victor and Simon both putting their heart and soul and every waking minute into their company. They treated it more than just a business. They treated it as a lifeline, they put every waking minute, every second they were moving or awake, they were thinking about their business and their customers. And
what do you think the future of Eagle Towing looks like, if you have any idea?
So I think I'm going to personally say I think the future of Eagle Towing is a bright future. Ever since I've been on board, we've increased the part sales by 300%.
Oh my God!
Service amounts have almost doubled. We're pushing to the future for a bright future. We are the only Ontario dealer for NRC Industries, and NRC has really taken a hold of the industry as a manufacturer. They're the industry leader when it comes to heavy recovery. Mm-hmm. They cater to the heavier aspect of incident management for sure. And every day that they excel, we excel as well. We're hiring more staff at all times, kind of just taking things into the future, a little bit more technology behind closed doors in regards to service orders and equipment and tools and stuff like that. And I do believe that I have the dedication and the passion that was instilled in me at a young age to pursue the company and to expand and grow.
As you know, there's obviously a lot of misconceptions and sometimes a bad stereotype about the towing industry. How do you think Eagle's Towing combats that?
Well, we try to uphold ourselves to a higher standard in regards to towing industry. It does have a misconception just due to I guess there's a couple bad guys ruin it. Anything in life, right? A couple bad apples ruin it for all the good ones. But we just uphold ourselves to a higher standard. From what we know and what we've seen, we deal with a lot of tow companies that the owners have a true passion for their business as well. They care for their employees. What we see is a lot of good in the industry, a lot of owners taking care of employees and making sure that a lot of the guys have good equipment, servicing their equipment. We just try to help change that persona that the towing industry has just by doing good quality work and making sure that everybody's equipment that leaves the door is safe and works right 100% of the time as soon as it leaves the door here. So that way, if somebody has a breakdown on the side of the road and they show up with a piece of equipment that we built, we're proud to know that whoever was broken down and is having that really bad day, our equipment can save their day. And any person that is buying equipment from us usually understands what they're doing, and we always go through to make sure that they have a good knowledge of safe towing practice, so that when they go on site and somebody sees Eagle Towing equipment on the side of a truck, manufactured by Eagle Towing equipment, or they see NRC Industries, they know that they're in good hands right off the bat. They know that the truck came from us, and we work hand in hand with all owners and operators to ensure that everybody is doing the utmost quality of work.
Excellent. And finally, just one more question.
Yes, ma'am.
I know that you guys obviously distribute a lot of tow trucks to collision repair facilities, I'm assuming. What would you tell a collision repair facility that is kind of interested in expanding into the towing business, but maybe a little bit hesitant? What have you seen personally from...
That's a bit of a tricky one because depending on what area you tow out of. So given the area that I'm in, the collision repair companies have to be segregated from towing companies.
Okay.
Just due to towing regulation here.
Yeah.
However, if there's a collision repair company that wanted to get into the towing industry, I just say to all of them, it's just be fair with everybody. That's it. Everybody's got to eat. Everybody has a family at home. Just be fair fair with everybody else. Treat other people how you would want to be treated if you were in that situation. If somebody has a breakdown and they're having a tough day, you don't know anybody's backstory. There could be a lot of pressure on them at work, at home, or whatever. As our job and our duty to be incident management or to help somebody out in some sort of incident management, I always just try to tell people, be as humble as they can with other people. You never know what somebody's going through. So if you want to get into the towing industry and you have a body shop, just do your best to do the best quality of work that you're capable of, and just ensure that you're fair with everybody. At the end of the day, always safety first.
Oh, absolutely.
There's a lot of bad things out there, and then it'd be nice if people just recognize towers as emergency response.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of people who risk their lives standing on the side of the road to get people out of sticky situations, and it would just be nice if some tow truck operators actually had the respect from civilians to slow down and move over on a live lane when somebody is doing a tow call.
Yeah.
Because everybody does have families, People risk their lives to help other people out of jams. There's nowhere in the rule books that says somebody has to have a tow company, right? Nobody has to come help you, but these guys choose to come out on the side of the road and help you, no matter if it's rain, sleet, hail, snow, cars on fire. These guys are on site doing whatever they can to help you guys.
Yeah.
So it's just, it'd be nice if some people, just civilians, would just slow down, move over, and recognize them as an emergency response trade.
For sure.
Thank you very much for the phone call, and thank you so much for listening to my spiel.
No, I love it. It was perfect. I will talk to you later then. Thank you very much.
Thank you, man. You have a great day.
You too. Bye, Jack.
Bye now.